Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. In our previous video, I have shown you that how we'll analysis for a curved beam with column, and in this video I will show you that how we'll design for a curved beam, and I will use the previous model that I have worked in our previous video. So if you're new here, you can watch the previous video. The link are given in description. And also they have many video about STAAD Pro V8i and about every solution of all kinds of software, so you can watch that from our given description list. So let's start. First of all, I will open STAAD Pro software and I will use our previous file where we have saved. By using open project, we can find the previous project name, but in recent file we are seeing that here curved beam analysis and design. So here is our curved beam, it's showing here. So I'll click here, okay, and after that this is our model. And previous video, if we see here in 3D mode, so that is our model. This is the model. So in this video I'll go for design of that curved beam. For that we have to go here design, then here concrete. After that we have to select the design code. So which code we'll use? We'll use as per our previous ACI. You can use any code from here according to your country, but we'll use it ACI 318/2011. After that select parameter, click here to remove all selected parameter. So only we'll select that 3 clear cover, then press here. After that we'll go here FC prime, FC and FIM. Okay, done. That is our required parameter, and you can also add from here as you required. So press OK. After that define parameter, here CB as previous, I'll give it default at here CLS, clear cover from outmost side reinforcement. This is the side reinforcement clear cover, and CLT clear cover for outmost top reinforcement. So top reinforcement clear cover. Add. After that FC prime 576 keep per square feet, I will use that. And also you can use here according to your code and according to your design criteria. So add here. After that FI 8640 keeps per square feet, okay. Add, then close. So we have found our every data here. After that we have to assign all value for all structure. If you need to assign the separate value for separate structure, you can add that. So first of all click on it and click here assign to view. As I am going to assign that clear cover for all, that's why I am using assign to view. It means the here what I am seeing here, it will assign the total value to the total structure. So assign yes. After that select that, then assign to view, assign yes. After that select that, assign to view, assign yes. Again that for that assign to view, assign yes. Again for that assign to view, assign yes. So we have defined our we have assigned our every properties for our design. After that we have to press a command. So from command, what we want to design for? So we want to design for beam, add and also into design for column, add. So close that. From here, beam, for beam we have to select the beam. For that we have to select here beam cursor, click on beam cursor, then select the beam, and from beam we have to press here design beam and assign to selected beam, assign yes. And for column, press here select that column and press Ctrl and select both two column and press here design column. So you have to select, press Ctrl, click one and click another, then left right left click, so select that and assign to selected beam and assign yes. So we have assigned everything that are required for our design. So our structure is ready for design now. So we'll go for design now. Here is our structure. Now we'll design for that. Close that. So to design that, at first we have to go here, command, analysis, perform analysis, no print. Okay. After that, click on analysis, run analysis, then yes. So it's showing 0 error, 0 warning and 0 note. If we found warning and note, it's no matter, but if we found error, it's matter. From here we have to click view output file, done, and here is our output file. Here is our output file. So for that, close that. From there you will find your required data, and if we click here, then we'll see our click here. Here is our required data, and close that. Loading properties. I think the plan have failed to design that data, so I'll go for reduce the load. So if I go to reduce the load, here property page, so not property page, load page, click here 5 keep. I will reduce that load, double click on it and use here 0.5 keep, 0.5 keep per square feet, then change yes, close. If you select here, you can see that loading, it's 0.5 keep. Okay, close that. After that we can go for analysis, then go for output file, done. Now it's showing data for us. As we have provided huge load on the beam, then our beam being failed, and when the beam being failed, then STAAD Pro do not calculate for them. So from here we are saying that it's showing required data for our beam and for our here for our beam and for our column. So from here, if we see here, from here it's showing the required data for our beam here and here. So, and for column here the required value for column. So if we go here, if we double click on it, in this time you are showing that it's showing concrete design, and here is the required data for our concrete design. Close that. Again, if we click here, it's also showing concrete design. Okay, and if we click on here, then You close that. Loading property. We have found our data. Let's set a property, and from our report we have seen that as it is carved, that's why it's not showing our data. So again we can go there, here analysis, run analysis, and output file, done, and concrete design. So here for beam, this is the beam result for beam. Here is the result for beam, and if we go here, here is the total design data for our beam. So here it's showing for bottom, that cross section for bottom, it's showing reinforcement for bottom 2 bar of number 4, and here it's showing the reinforcement in top. Actually when the load are working here, the column being deflected very much because they have no support in that side, that's why it deflecting. Actually these types of structure are not possible practically. We can use that when we have a huge large size of a structure, then we can use a curved beam. There it will resist, the total structure resist that load, but here only 2 columns are working, that's why it's not showing the load properly. So I think you have understand that how to calculate a curved beam and analysis for that and design for that. So stay well, stay connected till next video for a next interesting video. And if you think that was helpful for you, just press the like button so that I can understand that is really helpful for you. So thank you.